In today's video, we'll discuss how to look up an Amazon order from a credit card statement. Watch the video until the end to learn a simple, systematic procedure to accomplish this. The first step is to access your credit card statement. You can access your credit card statement via your banking institution's mobile banking app, online banking account through their website, or a physical statement at your bank branch. To access your e-statement, log into your e-banking account via your banking app or online banking over the internet. Click on the credit card to open its account details page. Locate the statement option on the page or head to Account Activity to view the credit card's recent transactions. Once you've accessed the statement, look for Amazon transactions. To identify these, observe the transaction recipients. Transactions made on Amazon orders will contain an AMZ abbreviation before the store number as the recipient. And there you have it. Looking up Amazon orders from credit card statements is that simple. Thanks for watching, and until next time.